మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వాళ్ళు ఎవరన్నా ఉంటే పక్కనే ఉన్న సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని క్లిక్ చేసి పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మిస్ కాకుండా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ ద్వారా వస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
These are your best animal clips of August 2020. Quincy, can I get a big woohoo? Yeah!
I am very angry right now because my mom is trying to brush me. Why does she insist on brushing me every day? The cat does not go through this, so I know that means she loves him more. So I will now make my mean face till she goes away.
My boy Malik said Bella is evil. I mean, Bella is an angel.
Oh my god! Oh, Taxi's just swimming!
So come on, let me see you get gone. Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it off. Turn it off.
Wait a minute.
Hey Quincy, I just gotta get ready for the day. Can I have my shirt, please? You're laying on it. Can I please have it? Ah! Jeez. Come on, Quincy. Hey. That's not yours. I paid for it. Come on.
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream. Cute. Oh my god. You're so little.
Who's next?
Oh yeah? Oh no! Don't play with head. No kisses. Kisses. No. No. You stop back talking me. I said no. You're so flippin' cute. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh.